Procore shipped live AI agents on May 21st, 5 of them, built on DataGrid's platform, and they are already active inside contractor accounts right now. Before you forward that headline to your project manager, let me tell you what these agents actually do, and more importantly, what lane they do not touch. Most earthwork and civil outfits I walk into hear AI agents in Procore and immediately picture something automating their field production. Daily quantities, cycle counts, mass haul. That is not what this is. These agents live in the document management layer, RFIs, submittals, change orders. If your pain is paper, this is relevant. If your pain is dirt, it is a different conversation. Here is how the mechanics work. Procore built this around two concepts they call actions and triggers. A trigger watches the system, an RFI comes in, a submittal gets uploaded, and the agent responds automatically to that event. The action is what it does next. Drafts a response, generates a document, updates a record. Those are the two levers. Now the thing I want every contractor to hear clearly. Human approval is required before any agent action is finalized. The system is not running loose. Every output sits in a queue waiting for a person to review and confirm. That matters if your concern is AI making binding decisions on your contracts without you in the loop. It is not doing that. What it is doing is compressing the time between an RFI landing and a draft response being ready for your review. For a GC managing a dozen active submittals, that is real administrative relief. For a civil earthwork contractor whose document volume is lighter, the return on learning this system may be thinner, worth knowing before you spend the time. The honest framing, Procore built these agents for the project management workflow, not the field production workflow. If you want agents working on earthwork-specific data, production tracking, daily log drafting tied to field quantities, automated cost to complete, that is a custom build, and it is a different conversation entirely. What workflow would you want automated first? Daily log drafting, RFI turnaround, or something specific to how your outfit runs? Drop it in the comments. I read each one. High Point holds generative and agentic AI certifications from Databricks Academy, the Microsoft and LinkedIn Career Essentials program, and the IBM Skills Network. I am taking a small pilot list this quarter for outfits that want a purpose-built solution. Comment with the size of your operation and the one workflow you want touched first, and I will reach out to the ones that fit.